Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to True Boost, and we're here for part 3 of the S13 drift build, and there's been some progress that's been made. So straight off the bat, motor is out, gearbox is out, and well, the car is clean. So now you can really see all the goodies on here, and we figured out it is a 1U, not a 3U. So yeah, some big developments. I'm going to show you guys some more of the things that we're going to do, talk about some of the plans, and yeah, all in all, thank you guys for tuning in. Please make sure to leave a like, subscribe as well, and I'll see you real soon. So here's the Falcon, the bad boy Falcon. So you'll see a couple of the parts that we pulled off, obviously the fans from the rad, and there's some other bits are in there, and obviously you saw the engine on the floor, and that means that this is now basically a rolling chassis. So yeah, not a long time that this car is on the channel, but I think it's serving its purpose in a much better way. But yeah, I basically just wanted to give you guys, call it a last look at the Falcon, probably before this car's gonna leave my stable, if I could put it like that. But yeah, we're gonna pull out the short shifter from Fury. Obviously that was a nice addition, and I want to throw that in the S13. There is already a Hydra in the S13, but if we need this one, I'll pull this one out. But yeah, that is the Falcon. Back to the S13. Hi Marco.
How's it going?
It's a proper interview now. No, I'm joking. So guys, this is Marco.
Hi.
Welcome
Hello.
to Tignique. Marco,
No,
please.
I am not Tignique. We're a team of people. I wouldn't be able to do half the things I do without the people I have with me in the shop. So let's get that straight. A lot of people refer to as Tignique as just Marco. It's not. It's way more than that. I've got, a team of good people behind me. So cool. So hi, I'm Marco. I'm a mechanical engineer by trade, and yeah, I started Tignique because I wanted to do something with my hands, be practical, and I love cars, and here we are. A couple of years later we're still going, so that says something.
Yeah.
And you came along now and bothered me on my work day on my own car, and asked me to give an update on the S13, and there we are. We're at the point where the motor's about to go back in. Tignique as a shop, we're a fab shop. We started off with that. We do everything from fabricating, CAD design, welding, you name it. We've done some crazy projects. We've done truck exhaust for Namibia. We built fountains for Mozambique. We built lab equipment for universities. And we've done race cars. Race cars is what we like to do, but we're not limited to that. So we're kind of like an open book in that sense. And hence why you came to a fab shop to put an engine into S13, because we were like, cool, we're up for the challenge, we did that, and here we are.
That's super sick.
Yeah.
So what are we looking at here? I mean, obviously we're doing a lot of things for customers, but what is this?
That's a V3 of the Downpipe, V3, V2.5, call it that. Yeah, obviously building my car after hours. I haven't really had the time to put all the nitty-gritty things, so I just got it done. And I started the car and drove it around, and I wasn't really happy with the clearance between the standard bends you get and the clutch line. So what I did is I said, stuff it, we're gonna do pie cuts. Everyone says, oh, pie cuts are so cool. I was like, yeah, they're cool. they take a lot of time to weld, and that's where we're at. So
That's super sick, dude.
there we go.
Nice, dude.
Then we're gonna make something pretty just now. Hopefully you get some good footage of it, and
Yeah.
take it from there.
Well, thanks, dude. Just want to say massive thank you to Marco and the team over at Tignique. We're going to be doing some awesome stuff together. And as a formal introduction, you guys are going to be seeing a lot more of Marco and the team. So, dude, thank you for the help.
Always a
It's going to be
pleasure, man.
sick. And yeah, guys, stay tuned and please follow Tignique, follow Marco, because there's going to be a whole lot of awesome stuff coming from the shop for years to come. So, once again, thanks, dude. Let's carry on with this bad boy over here. So if you're wondering what all of the B-roll you just saw was, it was actually this downpipe that Marco had just finished with all the pipe cuts and everything, just to get a bit more clearance from down there. So, oh, there's his hand. Yeah. So basically, yeah, it's looking pretty now, and it's fitting perfectly. So sick. Well done, dude.
It's hot.
Okay, so what is the plan for the next week and what is next on the build? Well, Marco is kindly going to run us through what needs to be done or what is going to be done. So, Marco, tell us, what's going on here?
Well, engine mounts, gearbox mount, prop shaft, and then we have to find a flange for the rear diff, which we don't know what it is yet. So
I think it's a 200 SX diff. I just checked. So maybe it is.
yeah, hopefully it is. So yeah, then there we go. That makes it easy. And we can just take that flange, put it on, sort of get everything welded up on the prop shaft, because we're probably gonna have to trim it a bit. And
Yeah.
We're gonna send it for prop shaft balancing, get them to balance it.
Yeah.
And then yeah, then it's just getting a new harness and ECU from Arc Performance. Louis is a legend. He exports a lot of those harnesses. So if you have a Lexus V8, please check him out. Like, Louis is a proper guy.
Yeah, I just want to say thanks to Louis. It's really going to help fast track the build. Literally, it's going to take what, 4 days? I think he said 4 days.
Yeah.
Harness and everything is going to be done, and we can just throw it in and start it up. So
Literally, it's like
Thanks,
based on
Louis.
turnkey.
Yeah.
hardware.
super cool. And then
Then we need to do a fuel system, cooling system, oil cooler, move the oil filter somewhere else, make all
yeah,
that stuff.
because space-wise, it's going to probably knock on the
Yeah. Just on the chassis leg, yeah. But it's fine, we'll make a plan, man. That's what we do. But
oh yeah.
I just hope that holds up. It will hold up, it's going to.
Whoa. Yeah.
We're gonna hold, that was not me. Please don't think it was me. But
That was not him.
We'll definitely make a plan to make that work.
Yeah.
Even if we have to, if that doesn't work, we're gonna cut that off and we're gonna water jet cut like a 30mm spacer on that, and then just build up the rest with like a thick piece of alley, build that up and actually have
Yeah.
bolts going through, because that's going to be the strongest long-term solution to that.
Yeah.
Welding it, look, it's worked for you for now. So yeah, but cool, that's what we have, that's what we're putting together, and we're going to make it work.
Yeah. No,
So,
it's coming along. It's
until
coming
next
along.
time.
So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. The next video, part 4, a lot's probably going to be done because next week harness is coming, mounts are probably going to be done. So next time I come through to the shop, maybe we'll be able to start it. No promises, but you'll have to wait and see until next time. So thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure to leave a like, comment down below as well. And please subscribe as well. We're almost on 1,000 subs. Let's do it. So yeah, until next time, keep well and keep boosting.